2026 Prelude, a sporty icon, reimagined. The new 2026 Honda Prelude will be available in one extremely well-equipped trim that includes all of these features as standard equipment. New Honda S Plus shift system. Leather-trimmed front sport seats with perforated houndstooth pattern, integrated head restraints and three-way heating. 19-inch Berlina black wheels. 235/40ths R19 tires. Brembo 4-piston aluminum front calipers shared with Civic Type R, finished in unique Prelude blue. Dual-axis strut front suspension shared with Civic Type R. Adaptive dampers shared with Civic Type R, uniquely tuned for Prelude. 4 driving modes: Comfort, GT, Sport and Individual. Leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel with alloy shift paddles. Sport pedals. 2+2 seating with 60/40th split fold-down rear seat. 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster. 9-inch HD touchscreen with Google built-in. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Wireless phone charger. 8-speaker Bose premium sound system. Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver assistive technologies. Post-collision braking system (PCB). Blind spot information with rear cross traffic alert. Details. Power unit. Engine. Engine type. Atkinson inline 4-cylinder. Displacement cc. 1993. Horsepower say net HP at RPM. 141 at 6000. Torque say net LB featuring at RPM. 134 at 4500. Redline RPM. 6250. Valve train. 16-valve DOHC dual VTC. Direct fuel injection. 2-motor hybrid system. AC synchronous permanent magnet electric drive motor, horsepower at RPM. 181 at 5000-6000. Torque LB featuring at RPM. 232 at 0-2000. Total system horsepower 1:200. Ratio range. Electric motor, 2.455. Lock up, 0.806. Reverse, 2.455. Final drive, 3.421. Fuel, EPA MPG ratings city, highway combined. TBA, fuel tank capacity US gal. 10.6. Required fuel, regular unleaded. Chassis, dynamic drive modes. 4 mode, Comfort, GT, Sport, Individual. 2026 Prelude, a sporty icon, reimagined price. Around $40,000 to $42,000.